Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to contact Affirm customer support. So first you need to open any of the web browser. In the top there is address bar. You need to type in affirm.com and enter it. Then once you're inside this homepage, in the top there is help center. You need to select that. And once you're inside this help center, in the top right we can find this contact us option. You can simply select that. So over here, if you have any issue with your Affirm loan statement, Affirm card, or about Affirm, what you can do is you can simply click there. And from here, you can select the option for the question that you have issue with. And from here, what you can do is you can simply dial to this number here. And before contacting to this Affirm customer support, make sure you have your account details available and never share your passwords, PIN, or one-time security codes with anyone. And that is it. That is how you can contact Affirm customer support. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful. If you have any queries or confusion, please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.